So in the last training video, we talked about the chakra tab. Now I'm going to put our focus on the Yin Yang tab. So the Yin Yang is going to display our meridian energy system within our body. Now, what are meridians? So I like to use an analogy that if we envision that our body is a city, the different organs in our body are the different businesses or different houses within that city. Our chakra or energy centers are the power centers or the energy companies of that city. And our meridians, I like to compare them to the power lines that take the energy from the power companies into different businesses or different houses, which are like the different organs within the body. So if you look at it like that, the chakras or the energy centers are the power company, and the meridians are the power lines. So if there is an issue in the energetic system of the body, we need to check the power company to make sure there is enough power being generated from the source. If the power center is energized and is working, functioning correctly, then we need to check the power lines or the meridians to make sure that that power or the energy, after it's being distributed, is it receiving or is it getting distributed to the right area? So this could be like a storm that drops down power lines, and we need to make sure that the power company comes out and brings the power lines back up so that the energy could go from the power company into different houses or businesses. Now, with that explanation, in the Yin Yang tab, we see on the right-hand side that there are 12 different meridians, and they're color-coded with different colors. Now, we have the color green, which is a sign of wellness and the optimal amount of energy in those meridians. That means they're passing that energy through these energetic lines perfectly. Now, if the color is yellow, that means that there's a hyperactivity in those areas. That means there could be too much energy going through. If the color is orange, that means that there's a depletion of energy in those areas, that the energy is dropping. So that could become the area of focus, so that we need to make sure that we can unblock those meridians or the power lines so that the energy gets redistributed to the system. So this gives us another amazing wealth of information about our energetic wellness, and by working on the meridians, we can make sure that the different organs of the system are receiving the optimal amount of energy. I hope this information was useful for you, and we'll talk about the more information that you will get with wearable device in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching.